I'm Daniel Thumwood, founder and maker of Harrison Ovens. The idea for Harrison Ovens has come from my love of cooking with fire combined with my experience as an engineer. Harrison Oven is a solid fuel charcoal or wood-based oven. It was designed primarily from the inside out in order to cook food incredibly quickly, to retain moisture, to retain flavours, to add a smoky note into food. Barbecues and open grills are only using direct heat from beneath, so essentially you're going to dry food out. By using a Harrison oven, the closed chambers are able to hold on, lock in that moisture, lock in that flavour. You're going to get faster cooking times, so you're going to be able to produce more food, you're going to be able to do more covers in a shorter space of time. The footprint in a kitchen is much smaller than a conventional oven, and the output is much higher. The interior is actually built with a backwards sloping roof in order to allow the airflow to turn and move. The movement of airflow is important to draw heat through and to move heat around the oven so you don't get hot spots and cool areas. You want the whole oven to be pushing the same heat. Essentially, when you're cooking at extreme high temperatures, what you're doing is you're sealing the food off. So as soon as it's coming into contact with the grills, as soon as it's getting that heat, it's preventing any moisture escaping, so it's supercharging, superheating the moisture within the food, which is cooking it from the inside out as well as charring the outside. So you're not going to lose any moisture. Also, the speed of the cook isn't allowing any moisture to escape. The ovens are performance driven, first and foremost. They're designed from the inside out. They're designed with functionality at the forefront. They work, and they work well, but you don't need to stop there. When you can put the design into it, when you can put the time and the effort to make something beautiful, a beautiful piece of furniture that people are proud of, people want to look after, people will want to work with,